Okay, dear viewers, now I will describe you about low cost home design. This is pre-built foam concrete building design. This is panel system. All panels are pre-constructed with separately manufactured near the site by concrete mixtures 1:6 or 1:7 ratios. Foam concrete. Foam concrete means vibrate vigorously and create some foams. Foam concrete structure has excellent load separating and distributing capability. Foam concrete does not impose significant lateral load. The foam concrete under its fresh state has freely flowing consistency. The property will help in completely filling the void. The foam concrete, we can see in design, the foam concrete does not impose significant lateral load. The water absorption properly. The foam concrete are very easy to produce, so quickly check and controls are easily done. The foam concrete has higher resistance to freezing and thawing, non-hazardous and faster work completion, cost-effective, less maintenance. Disadvantage of foam concrete: presence of water in mixed materials make foam concrete very sensitive. Excuse me. Difficulty of finishing and time mixing longer. With the increased density and compressive strength and flexural strength decreases sometimes. So if we use foam concrete block or foam concrete panel, then it will be better result for building industries. And casting the required panel 3 inches or 2.5 inches panel with thickness, and after creating the panel we will hook them. You see there are hooking, hook them, and with 9 to 10 milli rod, and the foam concrete, prefabricated foam concrete wired by 6 milli to 8 milli MS steel. And where we want to place windows, then after setting the all mass panels or panel walls, then we cut the windows. You can see the sometimes we will fix foams or sometimes we will fix it without foams. Here video is showing with foams for video purpose or for your understanding. This is prefabricated foam concrete or light concrete. Yeah, and this is wire mesh, steel wire mesh. Casting with the wall. You can see the top, the roof of the concrete slightly is tilted, and the roof also prefabricated, and corner hinge also fixed with the wall and roof. Prefabricated stair, and some rods out the stairs or bindings. It is mainly scaffolding type building, but after the construction we remove the scaffolding, but in this design we are not supposed to move or remove scaffolding. The concept of the design derived from Spain architect and our companies jointly. Remote site and where construction bricks are not available, then we can build this type of buildings. It's eco-friendly art buildings because they are environmentally sound, because there is no burnt bricks. All designs and requirements of plumbings and other fittings also designed previously. After fixing all designs, all fixtures and wiring, or then we will plaster by a spray machine. You can see the plaster is going on roof, walls and others everywhere. These plasters also foam plasters. Foam plasters means vigorously this is vibrated and there are some bubbles of water are created at the concrete mixtures. Here you can see the staircase. At the staircase we put some foam concrete also and casting them. You can build first story also, means 2-story building. By this technology we can build up to 6 stories. Here the cost also, the square feet of cost also reduce our economical buildings and concrete load bearing walls. Thank you. If you desire to want to have a building in country house or farmhouse or other side, transport cost is high, hilly sides or river side, or nowadays our Prime Minister currently built some low cost home for homeless peoples. It is also a sound technology for them, and the